1 Minute Norwegian, Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Norwegian from the Radio Lingua Network. I'm Dag, your teacher for this program, and I'm here to teach you some Norwegian 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what unnskyld, jeg forstår ikke means? It's I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about jeg snakker litt norsk? This means that you speak a little Norwegian, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Norwegian now. Today we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Norwegian. You would say, jeg lærer norsk. Now that probably sounds a bit difficult. I'll say it slowly. Jeg lærer norsk. Try it one more time. Jeg lærer norsk. If you're finding Norwegian a little difficult, you could say, det litt vanskelig. This means it's a bit difficult. Try saying that. Det litt vanskelig. Try it again. Det litt vanskelig. Now try to put both phrases together, and I'll say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase. Jeg lærer norsk. Det litt vanskelig. Listen again. Jeg lærer norsk. Det litt vanskelig. One more time. Jeg lærer norsk. Det litt vanskelig. And that's the end of this lesson. Hopefully you're not finding Norwegian too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Norwegian with this podcast enjoyable. In the meantime, thank you for listening, and come back next time to learn more Norwegian with the Radio Lingua Network. Takk for nå, og ha det bra.
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.